All right, so for the moment, we've got a passable material on each item, and the background material is animated, so you get sort of a water effect. Things are still fairly basic, but definitely progressing. Let's take a little time to talk about some physics, though. So if we look on the, actually, let's pause this. And if we are looking on the side, we have a physics properties area. And we can go and I can quite simply to this item, which is, by the way, slightly above ground. Actually, let's move it up just a bit. I'm going to grab it on Z and move it up just a bit more. And I'm going to add a rigid body to this. Okay, so now I've got this rigid body. And if I go ahead and if I push play, well, there it goes. Okay. Problem is now it went through the bottom. But again, let's take it to the beginning. Push play. All right. Okay. So that seems to be working. But apparently this needs something as well. So what if we add a rigid body to the floor as well? And let's take a look and push play. Okay, well, that's not exactly what we need either. So one more time. Let's, with the floor selected, change the rigid body type from active to passive. And if we go ahead and push play this time, all right, awesome. So more to be done. I'm going to stop there, but we at least have the ability to make things fall as we wish. And that is a start.